Today, we'll be discussing a simple and effective way to remove nail polish at home. Whether you're looking to change your nail color or start with a clean slate, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. To begin, make sure you have all the necessary supplies like acetone-based nail polish remover, cotton balls or pads, and finally an aluminum foil, optional, for stubborn polish. Step 2. Prep your workspace. Find a well-lit and well-ventilated area to work. And lay down a towel to protect surfaces from any spills. Step 3. Soak cotton balls. Soak a cotton ball or pad in the nail polish remover. Make sure it's saturated but not dripping. Step 4. Place cotton balls on nails. Place the soaked cotton ball on one nail and repeat for all nails. If you prefer, you can use pre-soaked nail polish remover pads. Step 5. Wrap with aluminum foil. For stubborn polish or glitter, wrap each finger with a small piece of aluminum foil. This helps to intensify the removal process. Step 6. Wait and relax. Set a timer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Take this time to relax and pamper yourself. Step 7. Gently wipe away polish. After the wait time, gently wipe away the nail polish using the soaked cotton ball. Repeat as needed until all polish is removed. Step 8. Wash your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly to remove any remaining nail polish remover and hydrate your nails. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove nail polish at home. Don't forget to moisturize your nails afterward to keep them healthy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.